Hi grade 3s, welcome to my house, and I was going to talk to you today about the four parts of a plant. So I thought a better way to show you is using one of my indoor pink peace lilies I have here in my dinette. And I wanted to use this one in particular because it's in a glass vase and you can see the roots quite clearly. The four parts of the plant that I want you to remember are the root, which you can see through the glass quite nicely. You can see that the roots are extending all the way down. And from my last video, if you remember, I told you that many plants don't actually need soil in order to survive. And this pink peace lily, I have probably had for 6 years. It has stayed in this vase and it does not have any soil in it. It has some moss and pieces of bark and little wooden balls down here, and of course water it needs in order to survive. But the roots, you can see, extend all the way down the glass vase, and it takes up the water through the stem, which leads us to our next part of a plant, is the stem. And the stem obviously is used in order to bring up the water and the nutrients, if it were in soil, up to the top of the plant. Another really important function of the stem, boys and girls, to remember is that it holds the plant up. Inside my kitchen in my house, there's not heavy winds, but many plants outside have to endure different weathers and wind, and so the stem allows the plant to stand tall and proud and to keep the plant alive. So it brings up the water, standing tall, and then feeds the water into the green leaves. And I told you before that through the process of photosynthesis, the green leaves really want to absorb in the sunshine. If you can see here from my pink peace lily, it's really leaning into my window because it's stretching for the sun, as well as my little green plant down here. He's also stretching toward the window to take in the sun. He'll take in the nutrients of the sun, and through nitrogen and chlorophyll, that's why we get that green color on the leaf, it makes glucose, sugar, in order to feed itself. So we have the roots, we have the stem, we have the leaf, which has a huge job, and the last part is the flower. The flower makes seeds in order for the plant to reproduce and to continue its species and survival. Thank you, my friends. This is part 1 of our lesson on plants. The next part that we're going to do is we're going to test the function of a stem using celery stalk. So I want you to come with me to my kitchen and I'll show you how to set up your experiment at home.